Good morning. Jewel and I both are gonna work on two different versions of the finger painting. We talked about whether you choose the daisies. This is that you would start with your most important one in the middle and then come out smaller, and the same thing with the roses. And this is what we're gonna do today. I've got a couple of bowls of water here on each side, one for me and one for Jewel. And we have these little paper boats, and I've already got paint in them for us. I misted it with a little bit of water to keep it flowing good for us, because it does get hot here under the lights. I mixed us up some green to share, put a little blue beside it, the regular green, a little blue, some white, and some lighter green, so we can have some variation on our leaves in the end. And Jewel is going to do some stems and things on hers today and make it more like a bouquet. Did you go with an odd number, Jewel? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Okay, I'm thinking I'm going to go with, on that last one, I think I did 15. 13's my lucky number. We're going to go somewhere in the teens here. But I'm going to do the same thing that we talked about before, and you don't have to do it this way. Remember this, I made this background, and we talked about the lighter color here being behind our bouquet. So I'm still going to go with that idea so that it will center everything in, the attention into that center when we're done. So I'm just going to wet my finger a little because this white paint is thick, and probably go about that size with my largest rose resembling flower. I'm going to keep that white on this finger, use my middle finger to go and do my centers. Remember, I'm going this way, then that way. What I did was add some red there, and then I went back in and added some white and some yellow to give me a tad of an orange color. And what I'm doing now is going back in and putting more of the dark toward the inside on the ones that are going out, because there will be more shadow there, where there will be more light out on the outer blossoms. Okay, now to choose a yellow. It doesn't matter if you, whatever your favorite color rose is what color you should go with. Now I'm grabbing a little white, and some of this white has the red in it, and I'm going to go ahead and just go with it, because why not? I'm going to go through the, not to the outer edges with it, but through the centers, and I'm just circling around. I'm going to go over some of the darker a little, clean off my finger. Oh, Jewel, I love it. Jewel's doing some daisies and some irises I see so far. She's going to make a mixed bouquet where I'm sticking with the same flower. You can do anything you want, because this is your piece.
I'm doing my middle flower, my biggest flower. I'm going to do it a pointy daisy. Going in the middle. It's a really dark purple, and then I'm also, I don't like too dark of color, so I'm also going to take this golden iridescent paint, and I'm going to put a little bit of that.
Remember, the larger flowers have larger leaves, and starting at the up next to the flower, wider, and then narrowing out. And these absolutely do not have to be any type of shape or form. A lot of times your leaves are going to be in twos, and there can be more than one on each flower.
Oh my goodness, you can see all the iridescent.
I love the iridescent.
I don't think you can pick it up on the camera. Can't pick it up.
And if you want, I mean, you can do your stems with a brush, or you can do your stems with your finger.
Up there, that teal iris. I've never seen a teal iris, but
Now you have. Can't say that anymore.
also, I want you guys to comment what is your favorite type of flower.
Oh, great idea. My favorite type of flower is called Alstroemeria, and it's also known as Peruvian lily. And I love daisies too, but that's my favorite flower. I'm going back over these leaves and remembering that one side the light will be hitting one side and not the other. So just going back through these ones that I did and choosing which side the sun would be shining from and just putting a little light on that side.
Okay, let's see. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it. Where'd it go? That one right there. That one right there. I don't know if you can see, but you can see, like, we can see here the fuchsia and the mama dark purple. This is what my bouquet looks like.
You gonna put some stems on it or no?
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put some stems on it. Ooh.
Whoa. Here's some green to use, and you can add more green if you need. And stop with that, and I gotta go back in with some more yellow because I want up my rose a little bit there. I'm gonna dry that center rose so I can have it come out over those leaves a little bit. That's bright yellow. Do it however you want to do it, because you would have your focal point flowers close to it. That's true. You'll probably have to do that with your finger to get enough paint. Oh, you're outlining, huh?
Yeah.
Is it a clear vase? Or is it going to be colored?
Clear.
Clear. Cool. You gonna leave it completely white, or are you gonna streak some color through it?
Leave it white.
There you go. White it is. Don't forget to sign it. Okay. There's Jules' mixed bouquet, and here's my roses. And I hope that you will post a picture of your project below. We're excited to see it, and we appreciate you joining us. Thanks.
Bye.